Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I got my Boxycharm, y'all. You know, I do not get any emails from them anymore. And they say they're looking into it, but they've been looking into it for months. And the same with Ipsy. I don't get emails, so I don't know when things are coming. So on Ipsy, though, I get a tracking, though, because it's the DHL that contacts me. But this just shows up on my doorstep. So it's here. Yay, December Boxycharm. Let's see what's in there. I cut it open. It's very funny because it doesn't feel like there's anything in here. So this was a choice. Our choice for December was a palette, or I think it was, the other choice was an eyebrow pencil, or I mean an eyebrow, more than a pencil, but you know, like something. And I don't really go for those. So of course I got the palette. If there's a palette, I'm always going to get a palette. So here's a quick peek. Here is a little foamy stuff, and then there's a quick peek. So I see some nice things in there. There's the palette, which I'll show you that at the end. Let's see what this is. Real Her brand, Set Your Goal Blurring Veil. And this is, the train is coming. This is $25, and it features ultra finely milled powders. You know, the blurring veil would be like a finishing type of a powder, which I do like finishing powders. It seems, you know, we get things in spurts. It seems like we've been getting a lot of finishing powders lately. So that looks very pretty. Set Your Goal Blurring Veil. So that, okay, there's the color. Now, a lot of times what they say about a veil kind of a thing, you know, it's this, you shake it out. Even though it has color to it, it's usually very, very light and it doesn't show up color. But I don't know, usually it's a little less color than this on a veil for the veils that I use, that I like. So I don't know, but it's usually very, very fine. So I don't know how this would work on, I'm very light skinned, or somebody that's darker skinned. I don't know. I haven't tried this brand. I've had lipsticks in and other things, but not this. So, but it'll be interesting to try. So next I have something from Complex Culture, which, you know, I've been really loving this company. And this, my understanding is Complex Culture is from Ipsy. It's one of their companies. And, but I love everything I've ever received from them. I love. This is a mascara valued at $28. And the packaging is always very elegant to me. The lettering is in gold. Excuse me. If you can see that, it's hard to see. But it's very pretty packaging. You know, I think I have a mascara from them that I haven't used yet. And look at how beautiful that is, y'all. Here's their name. And just very beautiful. And it says executive level mascara. 5-in-1 lengthening mascara. So I'm interested to try that. I am a mascara person. I love mascara, and I love a good mascara. So I'm excited to try that. And then this is LaRousse. These look like they're probably brushes of some sort. Special edition 3-piece eye brush set for $38. Now, y'all, oh, it's sealed. I wish I knew what these, I'm gonna have to open this. Look at how it's sealed. I'm gonna have to tear it open. So, but I just got LaRousse brushes in a Boxy, the mystery boxes from Boxy. So, and you know, you can't have too many eye brushes, but I have too many eye brushes. So these are gorgeous. I'm glad I opened them because I want to see them. Look at how pretty they are. Let me take one out, but I'm going to try not to touch the brush itself because I don't know that I'll keep them. These are gorgeous. They make a beautiful gift. I love the LaRousse handles. The ones I have are gray. I have gotten one or two in the past from Ipsy, like the regular glam bag. Here comes smudge coming through. And they're gray, but they have this nubby stuff going on, so they feel really good in your hands. Really good in your hands. And this is a beautiful eye set. You see there's a big brush, and then this one, and this little smaller one. Oh, I like this brush a lot. So anyway, I'm going to keep them in their little sleeves and smudges here, but he's not going to get near them because I may put these in a giveaway. So if that is the case, I'll let you know. But that's beautiful packaging. Okay, how are you fitting in that Boxycharm case? That's a small box for him. But he's getting in. If they find a way. And then we have a wonderful Goldfaden brand. Now, Goldfaden is a very expensive brand. Whatever this is, it's valued at $75. Their packaging. Goldfaden MD, if you're listening to me, fancy up the packaging a little bit for us, y'all. I mean, really. This is a Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. This says that it's new brand to Boxy. Really? Okay, I've gotten Goldfaden MD many times, so I must have gotten it in Ipsy. And now that they're, sisters, okay, so it says the problem is for uneven skin tone. So this evens the skin tone daily moisturizer. It's vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. So that is a nice, I like, if you're going to have a tube, I do like something like this where you just get out what you need instead of things just squirting all out at you, so this is nice. But $75 value on the Goldfaden. It's an expensive brand. All right, and then our palette. And it's just gorgeous, the packaging. See, packaging means stuff to us women. So, and men that like this kind of stuff, they would like this. This is $28. This is Dominique Cosmetics Unconditional Palette, it says. Let's see what it looks like. I remember a little bit about it. This packaging is beautiful. The cardboard is has a little bit of a velvet feel to it. And, it just matches the other things in the box very nicely. This is gorgeous. And then here's the palette. This is plastic, like Lucite. See how pretty that is? With that burgundy smudge, you're gonna sit in the box. And then when you open it, it says, love the moments, you'll cherish the memories. And this mirror is nice. It has one of those films on it, so it's not gonna blind y'all. This is really pretty. I don't know anything about this eyeshadow brand, Dominique Unconditional Palette. I don't know anything about it, but these are beautiful. So this is a shimmer up here, and this is one of those shimmers that is very fine. This one, it's a very fine looking shimmer. And then matte, 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 and then a glitter. Eternal is that glitter. It's really beautiful, y'all, and that's the kind of thing that I would like to swatch. But I just have so many things similar. I'm thinking in my head, this is what I'm thinking, is that this would make a beautiful gift or giveaway item to match these together. These are stunning. And the LaRousse brushes are just really, really wonderful brushes. So I think I'm not going to swatch it, okay? But isn't that pretty, y'all? I just, whenever there's a palette, it doesn't matter what the colors are. Of course, I'd love to have something that I like, and I do like this. But if there's a palette for my choice, I'm going to pick it no matter, well, unless there's a couple brands that I will not pick. But this is really pretty. And it's not doing it justice. It just isn't. So, excuse me for coughing. That's beautiful. The value of my box is $194, y'all. This is $28 for this box. $27.99, $1.99 handling. Well worth it for what you get, $194. We have the gorgeous Dominique palette. Gorgeous. We have the beautiful, beautiful LaRousse brushes. These are gorgeous. This color, I love. I don't know. I love it. We have the Goldfaden MD Vital Boost Moisturizer. We have another beautiful product, the Complex Culture Mascara that I'm really anxious to try, and the Real Her finishing powder. So, yeah, this is a nice box. Well worth the money. And when I buy Boxy, this is the first time I did it. I bought it by the year because I got in before they raised, you know, added that $1.99 and shipping. And I think I can't remember. Are they going to start charging shipping, or is Ipsy, or but both? I can't remember. I apologize. I don't remember. But I bought it for the year, which I don't usually do. I usually buy it like by 3 months at a time or something. So I just think it's well worth it. You can't get this kind of value, almost $200 of value, for about $30 from any place except a subscription box. So, you know, really, it's well worth it. I like it. I like it. And thanks for coming by to see my Boxycharm. And y'all, count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.